Welcome to the SAP Business One Implementation Blueprint. This video provides a step-by-step guide, timeline, and essential checklist to help ensure a successful ERP transformation for your business. Presented by Kabeer Consulting Group. Remember, software installation is just the beginning. A successful implementation focuses on understanding your business first. It's not just about the platform. It's about how you plan and execute the transformation to simplify your operations. Avoid common traps by following the Kabeer standard. This means viewing your ERP project as a holistic business transformation, prioritizing data cleansing, using standard functionality, and ensuring department-wide involvement. Our implementation architecture is divided into 3 clear phases: the groundwork, the execution, and the evolution. This 10-step approach guides you from discovery and analysis all the way to continuous improvement. Phase 1 begins with business discovery and solution design. We focus on identifying operational bottlenecks and mapping your processes to build a practical, scalable framework for your specific company structure. Step 3 is crucial: data preparation and cleansing. As the saying goes, bad data in a new ERP is still bad data. Make sure to cleanse your master records, bill of materials, and inventory data before migration. In Phase 2, we move into configuration and migration. We set up your databases and establish financial periods based on standard best practices, ensuring we only migrate accurate and business-critical information. Next, we conduct department-specific training and user acceptance testing. This ensures your team is comfortable with real-world scenarios before we carefully plan the transition to go live. Finally, Phase 3 is the evolution. This includes hypercare support to monitor initial operations, performance optimization through automation, and continuous improvement to support your business growth. A realistic project velocity is 8 to 12 weeks. While this timeline covers the core stages from discovery to hypercare, remember that complex requirements may require additional time. We prioritize precision over speed. Before you go live, check your progress against the Go Live Flight Readiness Dashboard. Ensure your business planning, data preparation, system configuration, and user readiness steps are fully completed and verified. Kabeer Consulting Group is your global SAP partner. We integrate your data using intelligent methodologies to find effective solutions for small and mid-sized businesses, backed by proven expertise. We are proud to support businesses worldwide across the Americas, the UK, Asia, Africa, and the Middle East, delivering transformative results regardless of your location. Ready to transform your business? Scan the code on screen or reach out to our regional offices to claim your free demo and see how SAP Business One can optimize your industry workflows.